Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most exciting and delicious recipes that are sure to make your taste buds dance. Today, we're diving into some viral recipes that are taking 2025 by storm. Get ready to impress your friends and family with these mouth-watering dishes that are not only easy to make, but also packed with flavor. First up, let's talk about the trending rainbow veggie wraps. These vibrant wraps are not just a feast for the eyes, they're loaded with fresh veggies, protein, and a zesty dressing that brings everything together. Imagine biting into a colorful wrap filled with crunchy bell peppers, crisp cucumbers, and creamy avocado. It's a perfect lunch option that's as nutritious as it is Instagram worthy. Next, we have the one-pan Mediterranean quinoa bake. This dish is a game changer for busy weeknights. Just toss your quinoa, cherry tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese into a pan, drizzle with olive oil, and let the oven do the work. In about 30 minutes, you'll have a hearty meal that's bursting with Mediterranean flavors. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra veggies. And for dessert, you can't miss the chocolate avocado mousse. Yes, you heard that right. This creamy, rich dessert is made with ripe avocados, cocoa powder, and a touch of honey. It's a guilt-free treat that's perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without any of the heavy ingredients. Your friends will be amazed when you tell them what's in it. As we wrap up, I hope you're feeling inspired to try these viral recipes that are making waves this year. Remember, cooking is all about having fun and experimenting, so don't be afraid to put your own twist on these dishes. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more delicious recipes and culinary tips. Thank you for joining us today, and happy cooking!